Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Ferrari F8 Tributo. Gather pencils, paper, eraser, ruler, and a clear side reference photo before you begin. We'll break the car into simple shapes, map basic proportions, and sketch an outline guided by reference points. Take your time to refine curves and check symmetry often. This method keeps drawing manageable and fun while building accuracy step by step for a realistic result. Begin by lightly blocking the car using basic shapes to establish proportions and placement. Use a long rectangle for the body and a smaller rectangle for the cabin, then divide the length to set wheel centers and windshield. Add circles for wheels and ovals for headlights, keeping lines faint so adjustments are easy. This blocking stage creates a reliable framework for adding curves, panels, and perspective details later on with confidence. Now refine the outline and add key details to bring the Ferrari to life. Smooth the body curves, define fenders, roofline, and rear haunches, then add vents, door lines, mirrors, and wheel spokes using reference for accuracy. Work gradually, switching between erasing construction marks and darkening final lines for contrast. Finish by checking proportions and correcting any asymmetry, and then prepare to shade and texture the surfaces for depth and realism.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.